Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys touch vibration problem how to solve. Friends, you have iqoo mobile touch vibration problem when you use your iqoo mobile, when you tap on your button, when you use your iqoo mobile keyboard, and friends your phone vibrate too much. So friends, how to fix, how to solve touch vibration problem in iqoo mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After sound and vibration setting friends, you can adjust volume from here. Friends, you can use vibrate for call, you can use do not disturb setting, and friends you can set ringtone, you can change ringtone from here. Friends, scroll it, other sound vibration setting, dial pad sound, screen lock sound, phone charging sound, touch sound is on, so friends off touch sound, and friends you want to off screenshot sound, so you can off from here. Friends, click here touch vibration setting, right side this icon, and guys your problem will solve. And friends, now you can use your iqoo mobile without any touch sound, without any touch vibration. Friends, now you can tap on your screen, you can tap on your button, you can use your iqoo mobile keyboard without any vibration. Your problem will solve. And friends, if you want to use touch vibration setting, so friends search your TOU touch vibration. Friends, click here, and friends you can touch vibration setting. And friends, again if you tap on button, and friends if you use iqoo mobile keyboard, so friends your phone will vibrate. So like that friends, we can solve touch vibration problem in iqoo mobile from sound and vibration settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.